There is no perfect niche unless you are the niche. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I found my YouTube automation niche and how you can find yours too. There is no need to waste months experimenting with random topics. Stay till the end of this video because if you are confused how to choose a perfect niche, I am also going to reveal a powerful bonus tip that will help you dominate your niche easily and quickly. The problem with niche selection is every YouTuber is frustrated, confused, because YouTubers are making it complicated, confusing, and frustrating. Frustrated YouTubers are searching for best niches and high paying niches for their YouTube channels. Most people look for profitable YouTube niches by watching random videos or copying others because they want to earn money quickly. In this way, they are wasting time. They pick something like tech reviews or finance just because they heard it's profitable. Yet it's true. These niches are profitable but not for everyone. But what happens? They struggle to create content, get demotivated, and eventually quit. The biggest mistake, they choose a niche they have no personal connection and practical experience. If you haven't lived through the problem, how can you create content that actually helps people? There is no need to upload content, there is a need to create valuable content. And value comes from personally knowing the problem or an issue. If you don't personally know the struggle of a niche, your content will lack depth, and viewers can sense that because viewers know the problem deeply. If you solve it personally, they are in a position to understand it. So instead of chasing trends, I am going to show you a different approach, a proven method that makes niche selection enjoyable, easy, and successful. The secret to finding your perfect niche. According to me, the golden rule is your best niche is their problem you will personally faced and solved. If you will struggle with something, research it, experiment it, apply it, and finally crack the solution, congratulations, that's your niche. Why? Because you understand the pain points better than anyone else, because you will face the problem practically. Your knowledge level about that niche is high as compared to the person who is making content randomly. Your content will be real and relatable because a person who is facing the same problem can find a solution quickly, and that is the most important thing in content creation and in business as well. You won't run out of content ideas because you will live through it. You can create content quickly. Viewers will trust you because they are facing an issue and they see you as someone who has been in their shoes. Think about it, if someone had told you how to overcome your struggle back then, would you have watched their content? Your answer is yes. That's why this method works. How I found my niche. When I started my channel, I was posting all kinds of videos, random finance topics, YouTube tips, and even relaxation content, but nothing really took off because I didn't know at that time which type of content was best for me to upload. The views were low and I felt lost. I felt I was wasting my time, but this was not true. Then suddenly I realized that I have solved a problem in my past, which was my career decision. I uploaded one video about career selection, something I personally struggled with and solved. After some time, the audience retention was higher, comments started coming in, and I realized people found value in it. Why? Because I had personally gone through that phase, I had personally solved that. I knew the challenges, the confusion, the frustration, and the exact solution that worked. That's when I realized I am my own niche. And when you share solution to problems you have solved and give true value, viewers trust you, engage with your content, and most importantly, keep coming back. how you can find your niche. Now let me help you do the same. Here is a step-by-step method to find your perfect YouTube niche based on your real-life experiences. Step 1. Identify your struggles. Think back, what's a big problem you faced in life and successfully overcame. Maybe it was weight loss, mastering a skill, dealing with anxiety, or even finding the best budget laptop. It could be anything. Write them down. Most importantly, to identify this, think clearly and avoid distractions. Sometimes this identification may come to your mind randomly. Step 2. Validate demand. Go to YouTube and search for videos on that topic. Are people watching them? Check the views, comments, engagements, and questions. If yes, it means there is an audience for it. Step 3. Start small and test. Make 1 or 2 videos on that topic. Observe the audience response. Are people commenting, watching longer, asking questions? Sometimes it could be a little response. If yes, you found your niche. Step 4. Double down and dominate. Once you find a topic or get an indication about it that resonates with your audience, go all in. Keep making content, improve your video quality, and stay consistent because consistency is key. When you become the go-to person for that topic, growth becomes inevitable. But there is one more important step that most people miss. They are unable to understand its effectiveness, and this is where the magic happens. The power of your niche. Here is the real secret. When you solve a problem and share it, you don't just create content, you create impact. And creating an impact is the most important thing in any field. That's what makes a niche successful. If you have not solved any issue which you faced in the past, you can do it right now. You can now solve any issue you are facing right now and gain practical knowledge. Teach people, try to give your best, and they will resonate with you. This could be anything which you are facing right now or want to solve, like how to handle stress, depression, overthinking, how to sell, how to lose weight, anything that you are facing and want to solve. In this way, you will have an edge over competitors who have no practical experience. You have gone through the process firsthand and you are more qualified than that. Finance, tech reviews, AI, many more can be high-paying niches, but if you haven't personally gone through the process or gained a skill in it, your chances of success are lower. Your first priority should be to learn, experience, and solve before teaching. That's how you build true authority and credibility. Because there is a need to be ready before starting a task to get success quickly as compared to the people who are not prepared. Instead of chasing trends or copying others, share what you genuinely know and have lived through. That's how you create content that connects, build trust, and grow fast on YouTube and in other business fields. That matters the most. The shortcut to fast growth. Now here is a bonus tip which I am giving to help you grow even faster. Document your journey in real time instead of waiting to be perfect. Share your learning process as you go. People love following a journey and it makes your content even more relatable and interesting. For example, if you are learning how to grow on YouTube, create videos sharing what you are doing, your mistakes, your progress, and a lot more. This builds a community that grows with you. Now it's time to take action. Comment below and tell me what's one big problem you wish solved in your life or want to solve right now. Let's find your niche together.